Hi there, Jeffrey Rhoades from Experimental Homesteader, Exotic Gardening, and Sheri on Richerson.com. Another day done. It was a rough one today. The job I was doing was a bit bigger than normal, so it took me a bit longer to finish. Plus, we had a meeting today. It's the open enrollment for our insurance. It's that time, and so I went and listened to what was being said. Now I've got to do a little bit of work on my insurance information. For the most part, nothing is changing. Although our attendance policy is changing here at work. It's going to be interesting. They used to allow 9 points. There, as of the 1st of January, they're dropping it to 6. Which I think is going to weed out a lot of people. Because we've got people that just, they call off the drop of a hat, it seems like. So if they only have 6 points available to them, I don't think they're going to be doing that as much, or they're going to lose their job. So most I've ever been at was 3. But now I get to take the van over and get the oil changed. Finally got that scheduled. I'm only about 4,000 miles behind on my oil change. About 2 months. So, but we'll get that taken care of today. So, no big deal there. And we got Sheri's car in to fix the brakes. She had an encounter the other day, and I think she popped a brake line when she slammed on her brakes, and so we got that taken care of. It's not one thing, it's something else. So, but anyways, I think that's going to do it for today. I'm just tired. So, please subscribe. Give us a thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. We'll see you again tomorrow, and have a great evening.